Cleaning filters is necessary for clean and clear water, but tedious, time-consuming soaking processes are a hassle. Water's Choice Filter Cleaner is here to change that. Our cleaner effortlessly and quickly removes grime, dirt, oil, and scum embedded deep in the pleats of your filter, eliminating the need for excessive time to soak. Our no-soak spray-on formula simplifies maintenance by allowing you to effortlessly apply the cleaner directly to your cartridge filter. This convenient method not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures uniform coverage, leading to more consistent results. With Water's Choice, cleaning is simple, effective, and fast. It only takes 5 minutes, works on pool, spas, and swim spa filters and cartridges, and is compatible with all sanitizers and salt systems. For optimal results, use Water's Choice Filter Cleaner every time you clean your filter. Our fast-acting, non-toxic formula promotes improved water circulation by deep cleaning your filter of lotions, hair and skin products, and scale deposits, making maintenance easier and safer. Our filter cleaner improves filter efficiency and filter life. Make your filter maintenance a breeze with our proudly made in the USA product. Clean better, clean naturally, clean easily.